First of all, ma'am,
Thank you. Thank you so
so my
much.
first question is that all inspiring how do you feel walking on the ramp and so confident and
Thank you. Thank you so much. I felt beautiful, and I think I would say that 50% of my work was done when I wore the outfit, because it's a very stunning outfit. It's a very different color. Um, sorry, center? Okay. It's a very different color, so that's why I think half my work was done. So then I could just enjoy, feel the music, and walk the ramp.
and tell us how were you comfortable
It was very, very comfortable. It also comes with a dupatta, which I did not wear, thanks to them. And I think that made me feel even more comfortable. But it was a beautiful moment, yeah.
what is your preference what
On normal days, you'd see me, like I said, in my cargo pants and all my shorts and a t-shirt.
You're wearing this every day?
Not maybe. That would be my workout for the day
I know.
if I wore this every day.
In and out and out.
Yeah.
So today's collection was fabulous as we have seen. Tell us something about the collection and the show.
So the collection name is Era, which is basically a goddess of marriages. The entire inspiration behind the collection was that we wanted to bring in something that was modern with a touch of a lot of tradition. So we included a lot of velvets this time, which is very traditionally very royal and something very palace, very sort of queen kind of, right? But then we've sort of dashed it up with a lot of very exclusive new colors and a lot of modern touch to it, modern silhouettes as well. So it's been a blend of modernity and like sort of tradition in that sense.
Right. Pooja, as you said that on normal days you usually wear such a casual wear, but when it comes to a wedding season or a festival season, what are your preference? Like, do you like lightweighted clothes which are elegant and beautiful, or do you like something which is heavy and rich fabric?
I mean, I think it depends on the occasion. I mean, if it's a very close event, then of course I would like dress up heavier. But normally I'm always the more simple, classic kind of person. Yeah, I would go more simple and classic.
Okay, but currently is something which is very popular for
Yeah.
its design. So
Yeah.
when you came to that you are going to currently as a showstopper, did you had something in your mind regarding your dress like that?
Not something in particular, but I have seen the brand everywhere, on hoardings, and I've actually shopped at their store many times. So in fact, my cousin sister wore Kalki for her wedding, So yeah, so it's something I know. It's a brand I know, and I was happy to be a part of the brand.
And what was your thought when you were designing this clothes for
I mean, as I told you, like in terms of the collection, it's about that, and I think Pooja is really apt as the showstopper for that because I think she brings in so much elegance, and she's just so gorgeous, just any degree, and she's looking stunning when she's wearing this lehenga. So,
Thanks.
I mean, since it's like the goddess of marriages, I really think she just looks so stunning. It had to be her.
So, Pooja, when you are a model as well as an actor, you work more as an actor, right?
Yeah.
But when you work as a model, how difficult it is for you to, change into a model and an actor? Like change, how difficult or how easy it is for you?
I'm not only a model anymore, So I do like to bring a little bit of drama when I'm walking the ramp. So whether it's blowing a kiss or winking as I did on the ramp, I like to bring a little bit of drama in it, yeah.
Okay, I would also like to congratulate you for the most eligible batch.
Thank you so much.
It's getting a very good response.
I know.
Yeah, so it got a very huge
Yeah.
opening as well. Tell
Yeah.
me what's your feeling right now, and what are the response which you are receiving from your fans?
Oh, my fans are very excited right now because I play a stand-up comedian in the film, and the girl has a very strong, powerful role, which is why people are calling me for my performance. A lot of people called me, a lot of producers, directors. They said that you know, one is to have a glamorous person and one is to have a good performer. And after very long, we've seen someone, you know, come together. And I was like, are you going to make me cry before I walk the ramp? Because while I was doing my hair and makeup, I got so many calls. And I'm just over the moon, you know, with all the response that I've been getting. So I'm feeling blessed right now.
Yeah. Besides this, you know, you have many more upcoming projects. Would
Yeah.
you like to share with us? Like, what's the status?
Many. I have Acharya, I have Radhe Shyam in Telugu, I have a film with Mahesh Babu which is gonna start. I have in Tamil, I have Beast with Vijay Talapati, and in Hindi, I have Circus and I have Bhaijan.
Right. And also the theatres are going to be open
Yeah.
very soon. So, like, for which films are you excited?
Surya Vanshi. I mean, I'm doing Rohit Sir's next film, and we have that Shetty connection. So I'm excited for the film. I think it's gonna, you know, be such a breath of fresh air after the sad times we've had in COVID. So I'm excited.
So, Diwali bhi aa rahi hai. What are your plans this Diwali?
This Diwali, I just, you know, moved into my own house. So I'm hoping that I spend Diwali in my house, just decorate it, set it up. Very excited.
Okay, Rajni, पूछना है
Somebody
किसी
wanted.
और which is your like first
This Most Eligible Bachelor is my first film that's released after COVID. Just before COVID, I had Ala Vaikuntapuramlo release, which was great because Butta Bomma just went like everywhere. So it was exciting. It was, yeah. So and then after that, now Most Eligible, and I'm very happy it's doing well.
Okay, lastly one Diwali wish please.
Wish yours wishing everyone a happy Diwali.